Take my bullets when I die, oh Biafra. Take my bullets when I die. If I happen to wander or die for my nation, take my bullets when I die. Take my bullets when I die, oh Biafra. Take my bullets when I die. If I happen to wander or die for my nation, take my bullets when I die. Take my bullets when I die, oh Biafra. Take my bullets when I die. If I happen to wander or die for my nation, take
I will not die. I will not die of the vandals.
Oh, Biafra! Oh, hell Biafra! Oh, hell Biafra! Oh, hell Biafra! Biafra have arrived. Equality, that's all we asked for, and it was refused. And we were slaughtered for it. And we did not see Britain killing Scottish people when they asked for referendum. It is all about dialogue. They refused us that dialogue, and they kept on killing, even up till today. Since '67, the same thing that led to the war is still existing in Nigeria. It's unacceptable. We cannot continue like that. All we just ask is for peace, for inclusiveness, and they refused it. We don't have any option anymore.
My brothers and sisters, we don't come again today. In the voice of Biafra, the person who want to hear his voice and not begin a day. How all of on a day. This one at the month of May. May. You remember what it may be for our life, for the history of Biafran people? 30th May. 30th May. 30th May. Now the Remembrance Day, the day where we know they play with. A day that is sacrosanct. That day we know they forget them. So 30th May, the Remembrance Day, now what we want to talk about today, so that everybody go prepare, no matter where you day. If not to open, if not that day, business where they do, anything where they do, remember that day. Say we go take that day, remember those great men and women. But before they go into that, you get what happen for our land, where they make me verse. They say they go bomb part of the house of Nyamodo, the Ohanes Ndibo chairman. That one no be good news at all. It no be good news. It no be good news. I no sure say anybody will get sense go there happen. Say that kind of thing happen. Because for me, as I did, I like make everybody get their own opinion, and then a hallmark of civilization. Whether the person they talk with you like or the person we know they make we give everybody a chance. If the person know they do well, we just push the person come out, impeach him or tell them to resign. You know, see how Igbo they do their own? The Home Office Secretary for Britain, you know, see how they force him? She don't resign because she mess up. Now the kind of thing where we supposed to go, but no be say somebody go bomb the house. Why I they talk this thing? No be I know say no be Biafran activists do that thing. Now waiting I believe, because I don't see people where they write nonsense for Facebook, they talk nonsense, we there for me there, we go teach and we go do this. I beg, keep your mouth shut. Because you get story where they tell us when we there small, where talk us just they talk anyhow. Say anytime we war go start, you go match all the pregnant women, match them on the ground, all of them go die. As war starts, people they run, now so some pregnant women die. As war and now they can't carry tortoise. Tortoise say, she mean I know see how they have small me go down match people to death. They say because now you talk and from out. Now why we go hold you? So people where they talk nonsense for waiting happen for near the house, make una respect on ourselves. Because we know say no be on a drum. We don't see python dance for our land. They can't kill our people. Go. Even ordinary mosquito no buy those military officers. We believe say our struggle and non-violence. So our actions and rhetoric must be non-violence. So now advice I they give one. Because if you sabi something, if you don't follow what happen for other parts of the world, you go know how this thing they go. Before then they kill Malcolm X and Martin Luther King, those where they control that country, we no like black people, they first put confusion. Then go bomb Malcolm X house. Their newspaper go say, oh, now the other black group bomb back. Before they know, the other black group go attack this other. Before they know, they seize that opportunity, eliminate Malcolm X, eliminate Martin Luther King. Now why I want make our people get sense? Our job here now to give people who no get sense. Because you get people who no one get sense. Especially for this our struggle. Make you no go use man, talk waiting go put you for trouble. It happened even when these Tupac then come out. One of the most conscious rappers for his time. Those same people say, this man, where they do like this, they open the minds of black people, though, make we come out. They start the same confusion. Before they know, they say, now East Coast versus West Coast. They seize that opportunity, eliminate and eliminate big. So, if you get if you don't read about revolution, you go know the signature of people who do that thing for Nyamodo house. So, you will be Biafran activists, know they talk nonsense. Keep your mouth shut. Waiting happen for Nyamodo house is condemnable. Me, I the condemner. We here with the condemner. No be good thing. We no go tolerate that kind of thing. And those people will go do that thing, thinking say they will cause problem for Igbo land. We go make one group begin attack another. You don't fail, you no go work. So maybe we go back for waiting carry us come. 30th May. 30th May. 30th May. 30th May. Now waiting carry us come. Now the day where we go remember our heroes. Those men, those women, we as war find us enter house, even when they kill us from the north, we run back home to come save our lives. They still pursue us come. Those men stand up, carry small thing. You know how they carry, you know how many weapons we get? How many guns? Not up to that when we start that war. Our people start that war. Those men will be in the sing. Take my boot off when I die. Take my gun back to the camp. Give it to our comrades to fight for our motherland. People will go war front. 3 people carry 1 gun with 2 bullets to go fight for our land. 3 people go war front, carry 1 gun, 3 bullets. If they shoot somebody dead, the other person pick and they continue. How we go forget these people? How we go forget them? The Jews, they remember their own people. They call it Holocaust Day. The Armenians, they remember their own people. We don't die. The Rwandan people, they remember their own day. When you come for Biafra, our enemies say we not remember our own people. Even some of our own people will not get sense. They say, why it don't happen? Why you not go remember them? Have you forgotten what our ancestors said? As you honor people, now there you they honor yourself. As you they pay somebody last respect, now that day they pay yourself last respect, because the day where you go die too, those people will come. We they talk about people who make the French ambassador, deputy ambassador, talk that kind of word. Say before in the talk, in they come our land, say anything say Biafrans they fight like heroes. But as in can't see Biafrans, in return to tell them say heroes they fight like Biafrans. People were under that hard condition build refinery. As they build refinery, even when they did blockade, they were able to build the refinery. As things as they bomb our people, they still build airport. The airport where they for our land was the busiest airport in Africa as at 1968. People where refine everything, produce shoes, produce everything where women they rob under bombardment. We won't remember those children where they starved to death. Where nobody even remember their names. Where they bury for unmarked graves. Now waiting we go remember on 30th May. So if na business you they do that day, remember to honor these people that day. So at least stay home that day. Stay home. Remember that day. Now so people where they respect their ancestors they do. No be the day where they go respect ancestors of white people, ancestors of Jewish people. Now that day you, Igbo person, go on remember those people. People will not concern you. The way we concern you, now you go open that your mouth where they use the eat, they condemn. Why not they do Biafran Day now? That thing will happen 50 years ago. What are you talking about? It's an important day. And you get waiting the book of Joel talk for Bible. You know, sir, I don't know if you remember the place, but I think it be that, I think that chapter 1 verse 3 or something like that. He said, tell this to your children. Let their children tell it to their children. Let their children tell it to the next generation. And now why will they do this thing? So that our own children will continue. Because if we go keep this day alive, 30th May alive, we go feel keep them. That means we must restore Biafra. But our enemies want to wipe our memory so that our children, we know, will remember that day. Now that one we know we agree. Now the only genocide, major genocide where the world no one remember. Now the only genocide where the world no one remember. Why they won't want remember them? Britain follow. Soviet Union follow. OAU follow. UN follow. All of the Egypt, all of them put hand to slaughter our people. Not first time, second time, a black country faced world power again. Unfortunately, we lost. The first time we did it, we won. That was in Haiti. Almost 3 years. When Gowon said it would take only 3 weeks. Police action. Our people showed them, say, we too much. See us today now. Those people will kill us. They better pass us. They know better pass us today. So why will they talk? Say, I beg, no matter where you dey, whether you dey Europe, whether you dey America, whether you dey Canada, whether you dey any part of Africa, that day they special. Join any group of people where they do their own. For people for Nigeria, I don't want make people come out that they make them no shoot because then they find way to kill us. Celebrate them for home. Close their shops. They home. Remember that day. Now why would they dedicate this particular program for 30th May? They remind our people. Because some people get to remind them. People like us, we know. Say we must remember our own people. We must remember those that died and honor those people that are alive. Go use that day, meet your mama, meet your papa, make them tell you the story, make them gather everybody. So now here we go stop today. Don't forget your ancestors. If you forget them, your own descendants will forget you. Thank you.
Ebeka unusi Biafra. Ebeka unusi Biafra. Gama vapu Biafra. Gawe bozo gabi. Agama vapu Biafra. Gawe bozo gabi. Biafra.